Photoshop, you may just right click here, then open with, then you may just click Adobe Photoshop. Okay, or what we can do, you can just go here, then click open, then just click here. Okay, as you can see here, it's open. Okay, so if you see okay, if you see there, guys, as you can see here, I have opened the photo, the bird photo, so it will automatically create a tab like as Chrome. Okay, like as Microsoft Edge. As you can see here, this is, we call it tab. As you can see here, I hope you have idea, guys, about it. This is tab. This is called tab. So you have 1, 2, 3, and 4. So the same thing will happen in Adobe Photoshop. If you open anything else, it will automatically create a tab. Okay, let's say I want to create a new file. You just need to click here, new, then you just name it to, let's say, Arif. Okay, then you need to select the size, then just click here. As you can see here, there are 2 tabs. The previous one, which was my bird, and this is my current one, new one. Okay, so this is the thing. If you open anything new, it will automatically create the tab. Okay, so let's create a new file. We need to work on it. Then you may name it to new file. Okay. File. Now we have 2 files, guys. As you can see here, you can change, you can rearrange this one, something like that. Okay, drag and drop. Okay, so we have two tabs, which is this one and this one. If you click here, it will switch. Okay, so on the right side, which is most important thing, which is tool, Photoshop tool. Okay, guys, so we'll explore these tools, these 4 tools. Okay, today we'll see how it's work. Okay, why we need move tools, why we need selection tools. Okay, so the first thing, if you hover over this one, you will see it's moving. As you can see here, it's moving, this one. So move tools will help you to move your object. It helps you to move specific area. So first of all, as you can see here, in this image we have bird. Okay, let's say we want to move this bird from this tab to this tab, from this tab to this tab. First of all, what we can do, so let me show you. I just want to draw. This is the bird. Alright, guys, this is the bird. I want to move this bird from this step to this step. Okay, this is my goal. What we can do, we can select this one. Okay, if you want to move anything else, first of all we need to select. So in that case, I need to switch. As you can see here, guys, currently my cursor is now in move tools. Okay, if I click here, then it will be switched into selection tools. If I click here, as you can see, it's changed. As you can see here, it automatically changed. Now I am now in rectangle mercury tool, which is selection tools. Okay, now I can just click here. As you can see here, guys, I just need to click here. Okay, I have selected the area. Okay, I have selected the bird. Then I want to move this one. So I have selected the area. Now again I need to switch myself to move tools. Then I need to drag and drop. Now it's moved. You understand, guys? This is the easy thing. Thank you, Yasmin. Thank you, Shamila. Thank you, everyone. Okay, so this is the easy process. As you can see here, the first thing, what is the first thing? The first thing is you need to select. You need to select the area. As you can see here, I have selected this eye part of this bird. Then move tools, then drag and drop. This is the thing, guys. Okay, so let's move forward in the next which is elliptical tools. Okay, elliptical mercury tools. So elliptical means it is like circle. Okay, if I draw this one, like it will draw a circle. As you can see, a circle. As you can see here, it will draw a circle. Then again move tools and drag and drop. As you can see, it's moved. Okay, so yeah, let's move forward to the next tool. If you want to DC, as you can see here, yeah, as you can see here, guys, there are some selected area. As you can see here, this is selected area. if you want to deselect this one, okay, as a beginner you will face this issue. If you want to deselect this area, what you can do, you just need to go your top menu bar, which is selection, then click deselect, then it will be deselected. Again, let's say this is selected, okay. If you want to deselect this part, select, then deselect, that's it, okay. And the next thing is single row. If you want to select in single row, you can, any area you can do this. And the next thing is single column. So if you want to select some area column wise, you can do this. You can select this thing, okay. So let me show you another thing, which as you can see here, guys, let's say I want to select the okay, so let me draw first of all. Let's say my goal is I want to select this part, okay, this enter part, okay, this enter part, okay, let's see this part, okay. I want to select, this is my main goal, but somehow, as you can see here, somehow I have selected only this part, okay. Somehow I have only selected this part, but we need to, okay. As you can see here, my main goal is I want to select the whole part of this part, but I have selected only this part. So what I can do, I need to merge this one. I need to expand this selection area. I need to expand, okay. If I want to make it something like that, I need to expand it, okay. I need to expand it. What you can do, you have to go here, then you have to press shift. If you press shift, you will see plus icon, as you can see here, guys. You will see plus icon. Just focus on my cursor. How to show you guys? Okay, as you can see here, if you focus my cursor, you will see plus, double plus. That means you can add area, as you can see here. If you press Alt from your keyboard, Alt, you can minus this part, as you can see here. Let's say I want to minus this part. Now you can minus. Let's say I want to minus this portion. You need to select Alt, so you can minus. If you want to plus, you just need to click here. Is it clear, guys? Is it clear? Okay, thank you for your response. Okay, and the other thing is, if you are not happy with, if you are not feeling good with the keyboard key, what you can do, you may do the same thing from the top window. But as you can see here, it's called add to selection. If you select this one, then it will be added. As you can see here, it will be added. If you click here, it will be delete the part, as you can see here. The same thing, guys, same thing. But I always prefer to use shortcut because it saves your time. Okay, as you can see here, I'm now in minus. Then this one will be merged the area, common area. Okay. So yeah, this is the thing, guys. Okay, let's move forward with the next thing, lasso tool. So if you open, let's say lasso tool is also another selection tools. So as you can see here, guys, from this tools to these tools, each and every tools is a selection tools. Okay, each and every tools is a selection tools, but it depends on your project. It depends on your time when we should use. Okay, it depends on your time. Okay, it depends on your project. So as you can see here, if I want to move any square part area, so what in that case I may use this rectangle part. Okay, if I want to move something related to a square, so I can use this one. Okay, if I want to remove, if I want to move something related to, let me open another image, which is, I always prefer to flower. Okay, there's drag and drop. You may also open something like that. If you are advanced in computer, it just need to drag and drop. Okay, as you can see here, for this one, this flower has lots of leaf. Okay, let's say I want to move this leaf. So in that case, you can use this one, lasso tools. Okay, you just need to something like it is one kind of pencil. As you can see, you have your own freedom to select the area. Okay, you can just to this, as you can see here. Then what you can do, you may just drag and drop. Go to move tools, then drag and drop, as you can see here, guys. So from this, as you can see here, let's say I want to move this one, move this bird using lasso tools. So you can do this something like that. As you can see here, then let's say if you want to add, as you can see here, this area is missing. If you want to add this area, so you need to press shift, then just add this part. You just need to press shift to add this portion as well. Shift to add this portion, Alt to delete this portion. As you can see here, guys, I'm pressing Alt to delete this portion, like this, like this, like this. Okay, let's say I want to deselect this portion, so I'm pressing Alt. Okay, let's say I want to deselect this portion as well, so I just need to click here, guys, and yeah, now I just need to go move tools, then drag and drop. As you can see here, it's more accurate. This is our, do you understand, guys, lasso tool? Okay, let's move forward into the next tool, which is polygonal tools, also polygonal lasso tools. So these tools also work something like that, but in different way. As you can see here, guys, it's just, you just need to click. You just need to click this portion. As you can see, I just click through my mouse. As you can see, you just need to click, so it will automatically select the area. As you can see here, guys, I just clicking, just click and click. You just need to click this portion. This is the same thing, guys, as I already told you. Selection tools depends on your project or on your times. Okay, but the maximum time, if you will use pen tool. Okay, pen tool is a good graph tools if you want to be expert graphic designer. In that case, it is mandatory to understand about the pen tool, how it's work. Okay, this is the same thing, guys, as you can see here. I have done again, just drag and drop, the same thing. Okay, and the magnetic lasso tools, these tools will help you one kind of like magnetic way, like as you can see here. So if you want to control, if you want to deselect this portion, you may just go here, select, then deselect, and the shortcut is Ctrl D. As you can see here, it's called Ctrl D, and I always prefer you to use the shortcut way. Okay, the Ctrl D to deselect this part. Okay, let's work in the same field with magnetic lasso tools. Okay, magnetic lasso tools, it will automatically detect your object. As you can see here, if I click here, one click, then if I just move my cursor, as you can see here, guys, it's automatically detect my leaf. It automatically detect my object. As you can see here, I just move my cursor, that's it. It will automatically detect my object. As you can see here, that's why it's called magnetic. It will as you can see here, guys, it will automatically detect your object. Okay, I just move my cursor, that's it. As you can see here, guys, it will automatically detect my object. So this is another selection tools. As you can see here, guys, you will see good accuracy. So if I move this one, if I compare with the previous one, let's hide. As you can see here, this is more accurate. If you compare with this one, this is more accurate. If you see the accuracy. Okay, so this is the thing, guys, magnetic lasso tools. Okay, do you have any question, guys? Is there any question? Should I discuss again? Thank you for your response. Okay, so let's move forward into the next tools, which is object selection tools. This is one kind of magical tool, okay, which is an object selection tools. Let's close Let's close. Let's open new image. Thank you, Zulika, for your response. Okay, so let's open another image. And when you practice, guys, when you practice on Photoshop, always try to work in new image. Don't work in the same image. Okay, just try something new. Always try to work in new image, so you won't get bored. Okay, so let's find out another image. What should we type? Flag. Afghanistan flag. Afghanistan. Yeah. Let's download this image. This is nice. Let's drag and drop there. Okay. So the next tool is object selection tools. Okay, as you can see here, this is our image. So if you think about object, which version of Photoshop to use, it is Adobe. No, it is Adobe Photoshop 2022. I use 2022, but if you have high quality, high configuration computer, you may use 2025. But I always prefer to use like the oldest one, like 2024 instead of 2025, because in 2025 there would be some bug issue. So once 2026 release, then I prefer you to use 2025. This is totally my opinion. Okay, for each and everything, let's say iPhone 16, iPhone 17, there should be had some bugs. So in that case, when iPhone 17 release, you need to buy iPhone 16. This is my opinion. Yeah. Okay, so for this one, for this image, as you can see here, we have kids 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, let's say this is our object. Okay, this is our object. So in that case, let's say we want to we want to move these kids. Okay, this boy, this cute boy, from this to this one. Okay, we need to select. So what we can do, if you do not have idea about the object selection tools, so what we can do, maybe we will use lasso tool, something like that. Lasso tool, as you can see here. I'm going too fast. Whenever you work, just do this slowly so you will get better output. Okay, then shift to minus this part, again shift to minus this portion, again shift to minus this portion, again shift. Okay, let's press Alt to let's push. Okay, then what we can do, just go to move tools, drag and drop, and it's moved like this. Okay, if you want to deselect this one, just go to here. And guys, sometime for move tools, as you can see here, if I select any portion, it will show transform. As you can see here, if I select any portion, it will show this one, this box. This is called transform controls. Okay, if you do not show this one from your end, what you can do, you have to go on the top part, then click here. As you can see here, if I click here, it will show. So I can expand. Okay, I can increase, I can reduce. Okay, so if it's not work for you, you just need to click here. Okay, show transform controls. Okay, let's do the same thing by the help of object selection tools. So what we can do, object selection tools, or like automatically select your object. Okay, it's a good thing, it's a good way to select your object. Okay, So if you click, as you can see here, I know this is my object. As you can see, it's automatically. You just need to hover over this one, as you can see here. Then just draw a circle, draw a rectangle. So once it's done, then you just need to drag and drop. So you will see it will automatically select, as you can see here. It will automatically select your object. This is the before, this is the after. So I use lasso tools for this one, and I use object selection tools for this one. As you can see here, guys, this is looks much better. Okay. The same thing, let's say if you want to move this boy, this cute boy, what you can do is to just select this one, then drag and drop. So object selection means it will automatically select your object. This is the thing, this is the main thing. Okay. Then if I want to deselect this part, just go to select, then deselect. Yeah. Do you understand, guys? Do you understand? Thank you, thank you, thank you. Okay. Let's see the next one, which is quick selection tools. This is another, guys, another selection tools. So let me open another image. That is this one. Okay, as you can see here, this image has lots of leaf, guys. So if you want to select this one, you may use quick selection tools. So you can, let's say, as you can see here, it's this minus. That means it will edit this area. As you can see here, this is one kind of brush, painting brush. Okay, quick selection tools. So if you click here, if you press shift, it will edit the area. As you can see here, guys, it will edit the area, as you can see here. So as you can see here, it will edit this area. Let's say this portion. Okay, as you can see, I just press shift and it will edit this area, as you can see here. If you want to increase the brush size, you can do this from this part, from the top menu bar. Then yeah, as you can see here, guys, you can do this. So if you drag and drop, it will be done, as you can see. So let me turn on the transform controls and hit OK. Okay, so quick selection tools will like help you to select the portion in your own way. As you can see here, let's say I want to select this portion. So what we can do, I just need to just click here. You just need to drag and drop, so it will automatically select the area. Okay, this is the thing, and the term is same. If you want to add any area, you just need to press shift, so it will edit the area. If you want to delete any area, you need to press alt, it will delete the portion. Okay, as you can see here, guys. Done. Boom. Okay. Okay, magic wand tools, especially it works like as a color. Let's say you have a image in the same background color. Okay, let's try to find out something. Product image, product. Okay, book. Reading. Now let's go for Google and book reading. Okay, again as flash. Display image, no, yeah. So okay, let's download this image. Okay, okay, go to Photoshop. And file, open. Okay. So as you can see here, for this image, let's say I want to select this portion. I want to crop this portion. Okay, I want to crop this portion. As you can see here, now it's one kind of impossible to crop this portion. So in that case, you can do this. You can do through perspective crop tools. So if you just select this one, this portion, then if you click here, okay. So as you can see here, it is selected only this part, as you can see. And now you can read. It's called ono, echo, by some, whatever. So if you want to crop some an object or documents in different perspective, in that case you may use perspective crop tools. Do you understand, guys? It's a simple thing. Yeah, thank you for your response. Okay, let's see the next thing, which is slice tool. This is nothing else. You just need to, this tool will help you to cut your object slightly. Okay, as you can see here, let's say for this one I want to cut this one in slice, in defined slice. So let's say something like that, okay, in defined slice. So in that case I may use slice tool. As you can see, I have selected this portion. Let's say I want to select this portion, and if you want to expand it, you can do this, something like that. And the next tool is selected. It will help you select the thing, as you can see here. So if I go here, file, then export, save for WebDGC. As you can, there are lots of portion. Okay, just save. Then you just need to create a folder like slice. Okay, then if I open this folder, so desktop, slice, where is the folder? Oh, is it on download? Let's save again. Ctrl Shift or S, which is the shortcut key. Then desktop, then slice. Oh, we already have desktop. Where is it? Slice. Yeah, as you can see here, guys, this is the portion slice that we did. Okay, so these are things like it will like slice your object in different part, different portion, according to your selection. Okay, let's open another image. Okay, let's see. Yeah, so yeah, we are done. Let's move forward into the next tools, which is frame tools. So frame tools is nothing, guys. It's nothing. It's another simple thing. If you want to convert any image to any frame, you may just use it. As you can see here, this is my image. Okay, so I want to convert this in a frame. So in that case, you just have to go here. As you can, this is my frame tool. Then you just have to select the portion, select the part. As you can see here, I have selected the part. Now it will convert into a frame. Okay, then if you want to change this image size, okay, on the layer panel on the right side, you will see there are two things. The first thing, which is your image, and the second thing, which is your frame. So if you want to expand your image, if you want to change the position of your image, you just have to click here and go to move tools. Then you can change. As you can see here, you can expand it more. You can make it a little bit smaller. Okay, then if you want to expand, if you want to make bigger or smaller your frame, you just need to click your frame. Okay, then you can do this, as you can see here, guys. So the thing is the right side, which is your image. If you want to work with your image, you just need to select this one. If you want to work your frame, you just need to select this one. Then you can expand it. Okay, and the next thing is, which is like, this is your like rounded. Okay, right? Rectangle frame or circle frame. So if you go there, if you select this one, this portion, then you shall unlock this there. Then as you can see here, so this is the thing. Do you understand, guys? Should I discuss again? Anything else? Any question, guys? Team ask any question. I love to take question, guys. Should I discuss more, or I think that's it for today? What do you think? Should I discuss more tools? Should I discuss more? Okay, no. Okay, so let's talk about the assignment 2. So I have checked that 6 students submitted the assignment. Classwork of a city. And Tuba, please rename our class like only city Photoshop class. Just delete one, okay? Just rename it whenever you have time. Tuba, are you there? I think she's not there. Okay. So yeah, guys, assignment. Okay, 6 people submitted the assignment. Thank you. And Aisha, Fauzia, please submit the assignment. Sana, Sonia, please submit the assignment. Please. Okay, let's talk about the assignment 2. So in assignment 2, you have to download image from Unsplash. Then you need to work this image in different tools. Let's say you have to download the image from Unsplash. Then you have to work with, rectangle tools. Then you need to take a screenshot, then upload on our Google Classroom. Then I have also explained you lasso tools, polygonal lasso tools. You just need to work on these tools on your image, then just take a screenshot, then send it to me. This is the assignment 2. Okay, you just need to recap, you just need to practice yourself. This is your assignment, guys. Okay, and please do my assignment. I'm highly appreciated about this thing, because if you do my assignment, I can understand that how much you understand my lesson, and this is also important. And in Photoshop, you need practice. Once you have practice, you can understand the whole Adobe Photoshop software if you have a proper practice. So I always prefer to do practice, to work, to project. So yeah, that's it. Okay, any question, guys, about today's lesson, overall lesson? Any question? Anything else? Okay, thank you for your response. Okay, so if you do not have any question, I think that's it. That's it for today.